Hey guys, it's Derek, JVI Secret Gardens, and if you've ever wondered what it looks like when you drain your pond and it hasn't been cleaned in several years, well, check out James. Pulling all this muck. This is what lives, the decaying matter in your pond. But we come to your rescue and we'll get you all cleaned up. So we pulled all the fish out of here. So what we do, we drain it down, and then we have these great 500-gallon collapsible fish tanks, and you can barely see. There's probably, I don't know, 50 to 60 little goldfish, but we put them in there. They hang out for a little bit. It's got aeration going, and then once we get this pond completely muck-free, so we're still pulling out with a clean-out pump. We got all the fish out with a fish net, but look all that. James, show them all. Like, pull that string algae down. Like, let them see all the. I mean, look at the layers that happen over there. And all that growth is nitrogenous waste for just years, and the sticks and debris. So that's where we want to introduce some beneficial bacteria to this and get it to start digesting and going through that nitrogen cycle and removing the nitrogen, the ammonia, the nitrite, the nitrate, getting all that stuff out of the pond so it'll be nice and clean, and we'll get these fish brought over and make them happy again. See you later, James.
See ya.